Show. Hold up, call me Show Tiempo. In this motherfucker hotter than a stolen pistol. Kind of guns that'll shoot a missile. Way these niggas whistle blowing should've been officials. Damn, keep the nigga under pressure. Yeah, she suck a mean dick, she ain't nothing special. Take a shotty to his body, these bitches wanna kick it. I don't know karate, nigga. Think it's time to change the tempo. Hang the motherfucking barrel out the window. Abuse a nigga like a rental. Outline the bitch like a stencil. God damn, where's my strap at? Try to fit 100 pounds in my backpack. I hit a zone between her ass crack. Then I flip them hoes like a flapjack, bitch. Please, why you tripping? I guarantee it ain't no slipping in this pimping. Threw away my phone cause my baby mama bitching. All of a sudden, my trigger finger's itching, ho. Fresh out of court in a pair of boots. Nigga higher than the motherfucking parachute. You need a gun, then I got a few. I'll shoot the bitch and his mama too. Man, why you hating? I'll send a bitch to meet Satan. I'm hiding money in my grandma's mattress. Had your baby mama screaming like a fucking actress. Mama who, mama what? I'll beat the brakes off a slut. I've been seeing a lot of haters lately. That's why I keep a 45, no safety. Got a magazine with hollow tips. You wanna ride around with Show, you better swallow, bitch. Hold up, wait a minute. Got a hoe inside my bed, another bitch in my kitchen. Federales on my dick, trying to catch me slipping. Niggas thought they had a case till the body went missing. One time, hit the bitch. Fucking so good, gave her ass a twitch.